What is a cyborg? The word cyborg refers to a being that combines organic parts, like a human or animal, with biomechatronic parts, robotic or mechanical components. The key to understanding it is that a cyborg is fundamentally a living being that has been enhanced with technology. So, what's the difference between a cyborg and a robot? This is the most important distinction. A robot or an android is a machine that might resemble a human, but its essence is entirely mechanical or electronic. A cyborg, on the other hand, is a person, or a biological organism, to whom technological components have been added to restore or enhance their capabilities. The technology is integrated in such a way that it becomes an inseparable part of the organism itself. The robotic parts of a cyborg have some clear purposes. For example, restoration. This is the most common use today, a person with a bionic prosthesis that is directly connected to their nerves and brain, allowing them to control the robotic hand with their mind, or a cochlear implant that restores hearing. These technologies help overcome physical limitations. In science fiction, this involves going beyond typical human capabilities. An example would be a cybernetic eye that allows someone to see in the dark, or a brain with an implant to access information instantly. While still largely in the realm of fiction, these concepts are being explored by researchers. In summary, while a robot is a machine that imitates life, a cyborg is a form of life that has adopted technology, pushing the boundaries of what it means to be alive.